Welcome
to the 2021 All-School Virtual Awards Assembly.
We are honored to once again be your hosts for this important assembly.
It's been a tough year for awards. We couldn't have sports, so this year we don't have K Awards, the Indian Bank Award, or the Sandra Scheninger Trophy.
Yeah, we also don't have the Ed Montgomery Cup, or the Sylvia Siemens Cup, or the Keon Healy Cup.
No hiking this year meant no tarpons, no gold tarpons, and no outstanding hiker award.
There was no top music student award for middle school, there was no school dramas, and there isn't a Gary Knapp Technical Award or an Arts and Community Award this year.
Okay, let's focus on the awards that we did have, rather than the Citizenship Award for grades 6 through 8 or the Citizenship Award for grades 9 through 10.
Let's start with the awards that we already handed out to the grade 12 students. The Walker Cup is awarded for outstanding achievement and contribution to KIS in music. The Walker Cup winner this year is awarded to grade 12 student Shreyas Mahindra.
Good job, Shreyas.
Next is the top music student in high school is awarded to the student who shows outstanding achievement in the area of music. And the winner for this award is Aviko Solo.
Good job, Aviko.
The DeYoung Memorial Scholarship Award is awarded to a senior or seniors who have excelled in music while at KIS. This scholarship is given to help the winners pursue their passion for music. The DeYoung Memorial Scholarship Award goes to Shreyas Mahindra.
Good job, Shreyas.
And now, the top Indian Music Student Award is given to the student who displays the most talent and dedication to the pursuit and the study of Indian music. The top Indian music student this year is awarded to Sri Darshan Santagunam.
Sri Darshan, congratulations.
The David Hines Cup is awarded to a grade 11 or 12 student who has made the most significant contribution to drama. The David Hines Cup winner this year is awarded to grade 12 student Parnas Sharpurkar.
Good job, Parnas.
The Citizenship Award for grade 11 and 12 is awarded to the student in grade 11 or 12 who demonstrates initiative, the use of the talent, is thoughtful of others, cooperative, and assumes responsibility and has school spirit. The Citizenship Award for grades 11 and 12 is awarded to the grade 12 student Jia Amin.
Good job, Jia.
And while we're handing out Citizenship Awards, we are pleased to award the Grade 10 Cup. The Grade 10 Cup is awarded to a Grade 10 student who shows the greatest promise of making worthwhile contributions to the school through achievements and contributions in music, sports, and extracurricular activities. They consistently display citizenship, character, and leadership. The winner of the Grade 10 Cup this year goes to Abhivir Kishore.
Good job, Abhivir.
We will now award the Canada Cup. This cup is usually given by a Canadian. Since we don't have a Canadian handy, I'll turn to award this cup.
I don't speak Canadian.
Really? There's no Canadians here? Does anyone know the criteria? Anyone? Any Canadians? I'll go look for them, okay guys?
Hello everyone. As the only Canadian on staff, I get the honor of presenting the Canada Cup. The Canada Cup is Cody School's highest academic award, given for academic proficiency and good personal character. And this cup does not require the student to be doing a full IB diploma. It's the challenge they take, highest GPA in major subjects, challenging choice of subjects, subjects they take beyond requirements, and of course, their personal characteristics that make them the person who deserves to get this award. The winner of the award this year is Vedika Kanakia. Oh, Canada!
The Ashok Kamte Award for Excellence in Leadership is awarded to a student who has been at KIS for at least 2 years, displays the attributes of holistic education and global citizenship, displays qualities of servant leadership, and is a member of STUDCO, NHS, and other school committees. The winner this year is Aryan Patel.
And now for the IB Diploma Awards. The Reva Bansal Award is awarded to the most promising senior girl in the IB program, who embodies the IB philosophy and displays excellence in academics, sports, extracurricular activities, and has an amicable personality. This award is given in honor of Reva Bansal, class of 1986. And the winner of this award is Hannah Verena Elizabeth Woodrich.
Well, thank you, Tarun William Banerjee Stixrud.
You're welcome.
Good job, Hannah.
The Amal Guanasaran Award is awarded to the most promising senior boy in the IB program, who embodies the IB philosophy and displays excellence in academics, sports, extracurricular activities, and has an amicable personality. This award is given in honor of Amal Guanasaran, class of 1991. The winner is Aryan Patel. Congratulations, Aryan.
Thank you, Charlotte Mitla-Cove.
You're welcome.
The Grade 8 Cup is awarded to a Grade 8 student who shows the greatest promise of making worthwhile contributions to the school through achievements and contributions in music, sports, extracurricular activities, and they constantly display citizenship, character, and leadership. The Grade 8 winner this year is awarded to Augusti Saravanan.
Good job. The Micah Pulavan Sunshine Award is awarded in honor of Micah Pulavan. It is given to the K-8 student who has best exemplified perseverance and hard work despite adverse personal circumstances and who has modeled hope, good cheer, and encouragement to others in the school through their actions. The winner of the Micah Pulavan Sunshine Award in 2021 is presented to Lavin Sanjit in kindergarten. Congratulations, Lavin. Well done.
We have reached the final award category for this year, the PIP Awards. These awards are given to students in each grade, kindergarten through grade 5, who demonstrate initiative and the use of their talents, who are thoughtful of others, who assume good responsibility, who are cooperative, and who show good school spirit. The Kindergarten Citizenship Award is presented to Andre Lau.
And the First Grade Citizenship Award is presented to Sabagya Govindaraju.
The Second Grade Citizenship Award is presented to Yana Kumar.
And the third grade citizenship award is presented to, you can do this one, Charlotte.
To my sister, Violet Lino Covey.
The grade 4 citizenship award is presented to Aiden Soyal.
The grade 5 citizenship award is presented to Jairaj Jarawala.
Good job. And now for the last award of the year, the Grade 5 Cup. This award...
The final award? What about the Best Awards Assembly Presenter Award?
Really?
The Best Awards Assembly Presenter? Okay. The Best Awards Assembly Presenter Award goes to Miss Block. Good. All right. The Grade 5 Cup is awarded to the student in Grade 5 who is strong to outstanding in academics, music, sports, and extracurricular activities. The winner of the Grade 5 Cup in 2021 is Tiana Singh. Good job, Tiana. That's it. It was our pleasure to host the virtual school-wide awards again this year. Congratulations to all the winners and to all KIS students who display excellence in so many different ways. We hope that next year we hold this event in person. You've been a lovely audience. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wishing all of you a happy and safe vacation.
Good job.
The DeYoung Memorial Scholarship Award goes to Shreyas Mahendra. You have a clue what happens now?
Awesome. Wow.
The top Indian student.
Singing in the rain.
Rain, rain, go away, little Bob.
Singing in the rain.
The Walker Cup winner this year is awarded to Grade 12 student Parnas
Shapurkar.
Parnas.
They consistently display citizenship, career, and leadership.
Character.
To achievements and contributions in music, sports, and extracurricular. And now for the IB Diploma Award.
What the heck?
Specifically.
Statistically.
Well, how do you say it?
Specifically.
Specifically.
Yeah.
Specifically.